Today we will discuss about the properties of Boolean algebra. Properties of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra mainly four types. Boolean algebra properties mainly four types. First one is commutative property, and second one is associative property. Third one is distributive property. And finally fourth one is transposition property. Commutative property. Commutative property states that A plus B equal to B plus A and A dot B equal to B dot A. Finally, AB bar equal to BA bar. AB whole bar equal to BA whole bar. In above three expressions, we can write A plus B equal to B plus A. Not only AB, we can also write B plus C equal to C plus B. Any variable we can interchange addition. Here A plus B equal to B plus A. Here we used addition. Similarly, we can say that multiplication A dot B equal to B dot A. In similarly, we say that multiplication A dot B equal to B dot A. Here we use dot product, that means multiplication. And finally, we can write AB whole bar equal to BA whole bar. These are the statements of commutative property used in Boolean expression solving. Second property is associative property. How we can associate the variables? Here we can take A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, and also A dot B dot C equal to A dot B dot C. Here we have A plus B plus C. C is added, then we can write A plus B plus C. Here B is associated with C. So the final answer is A plus B plus C. In this, similarly, multiplication we can write A dot B dot C equal to A dot B dot C, and OR, XOR, XNOR gates are satisfy the associative property, but NAND and NOR gates are not satisfy the associative property. Why? Because NAND is a not plus and also NOR is a not plus OR. So for example, we take NAND gate. We have variables A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. Here A, B, C are variables. A NAND, B NAND C equal to A NAND, B NAND C. Here A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. NAND means whole bar equal to 0. Also C equal to 0 into 0. NAND means whole bar equal to 1 and here B equal to 1 and C equal to 0. NAND means whole bar equal to 0 and we get 1 and also A equal to 1, then 1 into 1 whole bar equal to 0. Finally we get A NAND B NAND C equal to 1 and A NAND B NAND C equal to 0. So NAND gate are not associative property. Similarly, NOR gate also. Third property is distributive property. How do we distribute variables in a relation? The three variables relation we have to shows that A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, multiplication method. Next, A plus BC equal to A plus B into A plus C. Here A is multiplied with B and also A is multiplied with C. So we get A plus B into A plus C. And fourth property is the final property, transposition. Transposition property. Transposition property. Here A B plus A bar C equal to A plus C into A bar plus B. Any variable of its complement, its multiplication factor comes with addition. That means here A bar is the complement of A. So we multiply with A into C and A bar B. So we get A plus C and A bar plus B. Now we can see that the above property are true or false. Now we check A into A bar plus AB plus C into A bar plus C into B. Here A into A bar equal to 0 plus AB plus CA bar plus CB bar CB. Let us take A B plus A bar C equal to plus BC equal to AB plus A bar C. Here AB plus A bar C plus BC into 1. Take 1. Here we take 1. There is no difference. So AB plus A bar C plus BC into A plus A bar. Since A plus A bar equal to 1, therefore AB plus A bar C plus ABC plus A bar BC. Here we take normal variables one side and complement variables another side. Then now common AB from first two variables, then we write 1 plus C plus, here we take common A bar C 1 plus B, AB into 1 plus A bar C into 1. Here 1 plus anything is equal to 1. So AB plus A bar C, hence proved. This is called as transposition property. Thank you.